What is electric field? So electric field, it is the inherent property of every charged body. Inherent property of every charge. हर एक चार्ज की ये इनहेरेंट प्रॉपर्टी है. जैसे ही क्या है, किसी बॉडी पर किसी पार्टिकल पर चार्ज आ जाएगा, दैट विल क्रिएट इट्स ओन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इन इट्स विसिनिटी. नाउ सी here what is electric field? It is that region in which a charge experiences force. A charge experiences force. Now see here, suppose we have to detect whether there is some electric field in this region or not. I have to detect whether there is some electric field in this region or not. I will take an isolated point charge. Isolated means जिस पर पहले से कोई फोर्स नहीं एक्ट कर रहा है. We will take a isolated point charge particle. एक ऐसा पार्टिकल लेंगे in which the charge is situated at one point. Now if you place it here, if it starts moving, then it means some force is acting. अगर ये क्या है, यहाँ पर कहीं भी रखने पर रखते ही ये मूव करने लगे, इट मीन्स क्या है, उस पार्टिकल पर कुछ फोर्स लग रहा है. इट्स क्लियर. एंड देयरफॉर देयर इज सम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इन दिस region. बट इफ इट रिमेन्स स्टैटिक, वैसे ही बना रहे जैसे तुमने रखा था, then it means there is no electric field. It's clear. So what is electric field? It is that region in which a charge experiences force. Now see here, अब ये electric field create कैसे हुई है? So every electric field is created by a charged particle, individual charged particle or group of charged particle. It is either created by a individual charged particle or group of charged particle. Means what is the source of electric field? Source of electric field. In the beginning, I have already told that it is the inherent property of every charge. जैसे ही किसी पार्टिकल पर, जैसे ही इस पेन पर चार्ज आ जाएगा, what will happen? It will create its own electric field in its vicinity. It will create its own electric field in its vicinity. So source of electric field will be individual charge particle, or it may be group of charges. Maybe group of means charges का एक cluster, or it may be a uniformly charged body. Uniformly charged body means you can say that the charged body, charged particle, charge is source of electric field. Charge is source of electric field. Every charge produces its own electric field in its vicinity. हर एक चार्ज अपनी खुद की इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस कर देता है अपनी विसिनिटी में. Every charge produces its own electric field in its vicinity. It's clear. Therefore, that's why the charge which produces electric field is called the source charge. Source charge क्या है? One which produces the electric field. One which produces electric field. It's clear. Now see here one more thing. What will be the strength of this electric field? So it will depend upon the magnitude of charge. More the magnitude of charge, more will be the strength of electric field. Means strength of electric field, it will be proportional to the magnitude of charge. इसकी वैल्यू मोर होगी, electric field will be more stronger. It's clear. Now one more thing. Here I have taken here I have told that how will you detect the presence of electric field in any region? By taking a isolated point charge. It's clear. By taking a isolated point charge. This charge we name as the test charge. इस चार्ज को हम क्या नेम करते हैं? टेस्ट चार्ज. मीन्स व्हाट इज द टेस्ट चार्ज? इट इज वन with the help of which electric field is detected in any region. It is one with the help of which we detect the presence of electric field in any region. It's clear. There are two terms. One is the source charge. Source charge is one which produces the electric field. What is test charge? It is one which produces, which is used to detect the presence of electric field in any region. So you can see here test charge. It is denoted by Q naught. हम लोग Q naught से टेस्ट चार्ज को डिनोट करते हैं. It is a positive charge. Positive charge used for detecting presence of electric field in any region. With the help of which you can detect whether there is electric field in some region or not. Now one more thing. This test charge will be always positive. जबकि सोर्स चार्ज क्या हो सकता है? ये पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है और ये नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है. सोर्स चार्ज कैन बी पॉजिटिव एज वेल एज नेगेटिव, बट द टेस्ट चार्ज विल बी ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. ये हरदम पॉजिटिव होगा. देन वन मोर थिंग इज देयर. इसके साथ एक चीज और भी है. हमने अभी बताया है एवरी चार्ज प्रोड्यूसेज इट्स ओन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. मतलब ये भी अपनी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस करेगा. इट्स क्लियर. हमको ये पता करना है, हमको ये मैप करना है कि जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड यहाँ पर है वो कितनी है, उसका मैग्नीट्यूड क्या है. तो हमने क्या है, एक टेस्ट चार्ज लिया Q naught. बट व्हेन यू पुट समवेयर हियर व्हाट विल हैपन? इट विल आल्सो प्रोड्यूस इट्स ओन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. ये खुद की भी अपनी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस कर देगा. एंड देन व्हाट विल हैपन? द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड व्हिच यू आर गोइंग टू मैप, दैट विल बी चेंज्ड. द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड व्हिच यू आर गोइंग टू मैप, जिस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड को मेजर करने जा रहे हैं वही बदल जाए. क्यों? क्योंकि ये अब इसकी भी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इस रीजन में हो गई. इट्स क्लियर. देयरफॉर इट शुड बी इन्फिनिटेसिमली स्मॉल. It should be infinitesimally small. Infinitesimally small होगी, then it will not produce any significant electric field, and then very easily we can measure the electric field with the help of this. So this charge should be infinitesimally small. Infinitesimally small means very very small. It's clear. It should be infinitesimally small. It's clear. So that it do not produce any significant electric field. Any significant electric field. So now you can see here what is electric field. Electric field is that region in which a charge experiences force. Electric field is that region in which a charge experiences force, that is called the electric field. Electric field कौन produce कर सकता है? Electric field is produced by a charged particle, by a point charge, by the group of charges, by the continuous distribution of charge. Means charge का continuous distribution है. It's clear? Means a charge will produce the electric field. जो charge electric field produce करता है, that is known as source charge. Then how will you detect the presence of electric field in any region? By using a test charge. You place the test charge in the region in which you are detect whether there is electric field or not. If that test charge starts moving, then it experiences force and therefore there is electric field. It's clear? So by using test charge, we can detect the presence of the electric field. Now test charge is always positive and it is infinitesimally small. ये हरदम positive होगा and it will be infinitesimally small. Now how will you measure the strength of electric field? Strength of electric field or electric field intensity or simply electric field. This is denoted by symbol capital E. Electric field is what type of quantity? It is a vector quantity. Vector quantity means has magnitude as well as direction. It is having magnitude as well as direction. It is clear. Now see here. Suppose you have to detect the presence of electric field. You have to detect the strength of electric field in this region. This is some region of electric field. हमको ये पता है कि इस region में electric field है. What will be its magnitude at any point? So you take a test charge Q naught. Suppose on placing the test charge Q naught at this point, it experiences force F. अगर Q naught चार्ज को इस पॉइंट P पर रखने पर इस पर कितना फोर्स लगे? F फोर्स लगे. Then what will be the intensity of electric field? Intensity of electric field, that will be E equals to F upon Q naught, means the force experienced by 1 coulomb. Q naught charge experiences force F. So 1 coulomb charge will experience how much force? F upon Q naught. This is the value of E. It's clear? Means what is the intensity of electric field at any point? It will be equal to the force experienced by unit positive charge. Means what is its definition? Its definition is force experienced by unit positive charge. Now see here, what will be the direction of electric field? So direction of electric field will be same as the here force. What the direction of force? Direction of electric field will be same as the direction of force. Suppose when you place charge Q naught at this point, it experiences force in this direction. Therefore, electric field will also be in the same direction. Electric field will also be in the same direction. What is the restriction with the Q naught? Q naught के साथ क्या restriction है? Who can tell? पूर्वा खत्री. What are the limitations with the Q naught? It should be infinitesimally small and it should be positively charged. It is always positive charge and it should be infinitesimally small. It is clear? So intensity of electric field, it is numerically defined as force experienced by 1 coulomb by unit positive charge. Force experienced by unit positive charge. It's clear. Now what will be the unit of electric field? Utkarsh Agrawal. Unit of electric field.
Sir, unit of electric field is Newton per coulomb.
Yes, very good. क्यों? क्योंकि फोर्स की यूनिट क्या होती? न्यूटन. चार्ज की यूनिट क्या होती? कूलम. तो क्या हो जाएगी? न्यूटन पर कूलम. मतलब इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कैसी फील्ड है? दिस इज ए वेक्टर फील्ड. इट इज ए वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज ए वेक्टर फील्ड लाइक ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड. जैसे ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड है, in the same way electric field is also a vector field. It's clear. What is its unit? So you can see the SI unit of E. This is Newton per coulomb. What will be the dimensional formula? So what is the dimensional formula? So you can see here Newton means MLT minus 2. Newton means MLT minus 2. Coulomb means Coulomb means 80. So it is A minus 1, T minus 1. When you will simplify, it is MLT minus 3, A minus 1. This is the dimensional formula of electric field intensity. This is clear? Now see here, you can see in your book page 12. Page 12 सब लोग अपनी बुक में देखते हैं at the top. And this is very, very important. Here I am writing important. Suppose now see here, just now you have seen E equals to F upon Q naught. Here just now I have told on placing Q naught charge, this is some region of electric field और इस region of electric field के किसी point पर Q naught charge रखने पर उस पर कितना force लग रहा है? F. So what is the intensity? F upon Q naught. We can say the same thing in the other way. हम इसी चीज को दूसरी तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं. Suppose at this point electric field is E. Then what will be the force experienced by the charge Q naught? What will be the force experienced by charge Q naught at this point? So it will be given by F equals to Q naught into E. It's clear? Means if a charge Q is placed at a point where electric field is E, then how much force will be experienced by that charge? F equals to Q into E. When a charge Q is placed, and now this charge can be positive or it may be negative. ये कुछ भी हो सकता है. When a charge Q is placed at a point where electric field is E, then force experienced by charge. Force experienced by charge will be Q into E. This will be the force experienced by the charge. Now see here. Just now I said that this charge may be positive or it may be negative. So direction of force क्या होगी? So you can understand. Suppose the electric field is in this direction. This is the direction of electric field. अगर ये चार्ज पॉजिटिव है जिस पर हमको फोर्स फाइंड आउट करना है, देन व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स? ये अगर ये चार्ज Q तुम्हारा निगेटिव है तो फोर्स की डायरेक्शन क्या होगी? ये मतलब हम लोग ध्यान देंगे कि पॉजिटिव चार्ज पर फोर्स की डायरेक्शन वही होगी जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन, निगेटिव चार्ज पर फोर्स की डायरेक्शन क्या होगी? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के अपोजिट. What will be the direction of force on the negative charge? It will be opposite to electric field. It will be opposite to electric field. This you will remember. This is given in the fourth point, page 12. तो तुम्हारी न्यू बुक से बता दे रहे हैं. This is at the fourth point. It's clear. Now see here, there is one more thing. There is a Millikan oil drop experiment. Oil drop experiment. Now Millikan had conducted experiment to determine the elementary value of charge, smallest value of charge. And this smallest value of charge he had found by determining the charge on various oil drops. बहुत सारी oil drops पर charge find out किया. Amount of charge कितना है? बहुत सारी oil drops पर उन्होंने find out किया. And then उन्होंने ये फाइंड किया कि ये जो ऑयल ड्रॉप्स पर चार्ज है ये किस वैल्यू का इंटीग्रल मल्टीपल है. वही वैल्यू क्या थी? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चार्ज. सो व्हाट इज द एलिमेंट्री वैल्यू ऑफ चार्ज? इट इज 1.6 into 10 की पावर -19 कूलम. दिस इज द एलिमेंट्री वैल्यू ऑफ चार्ज व्हिच वी आल्सो कॉल द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चार्ज. सो what was the procedure of experiment? In experimental procedure, he had balanced the charged oil drop. Balanced charged oil drop in a region of electric field. In a region of electric field, balance the charged oil drop in a region of electric field. Now see here, suppose this is the oil drop. इसका weight किधर एक्ट करेगा? Weight क्या है? Weight will always act in the downward direction. It will be balanced in a region of electric field only when. It will be balanced in a region of electric field only when electric force is acting on. This is what type of drop? Charged oil drop. मतलब इस पर कुछ चार्ज है. So it will be balanced only when electric force is acting opposite to the or vertically upward. क्योंकि हमको मालूम है वेट तो हरदम डाउनवर्ड ही एक्ट होता है, ये कभी अपवर्ड नहीं एक्ट हो सकता है. Therefore, this oil drop will be balanced in the region of electric field only when electric force acts opposite to this. It's clear? Electric force acts opposite to this. Now see here. Suppose if we assume that the charged oil drop is positive. इस पर कैसा चार्ज है? पॉजिटिव. तो बताओ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन क्या होगी? अगर हम ये एज्यूम कर लें कि ये ऑयल ड्रॉप पॉजिटिवली चार्ज है, तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की क्या डायरेक्शन होगी? वैभव, what will be the direction of electric field? Vivek Chaturvedi.
Sir, same direction as of vertical downwards.
Vertically upward.
डाउनवर्ड
डाउनवर्ड। क्यों?
सर, क्योंकि पॉजिटिव चार्ज के डायरेक्शन में होगा।
पॉजिटिव चार्ज की क्या कोई डायरेक्शन होती? चार्ज की कहाँ डायरेक्शन होती है? ये क्या है? पॉजिटिवली चार्ज है, इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स अपवर्ड लग रहा, तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड भी क्या होगी? अपवर्ड होगी। आए समझे? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड भी क्या होगी? अपवर्ड होगी। आए समझे? अब देख लो, एक दूसरी ग्राफ हमने ले लिया। दिस इज negatively charged ion drop and it is balanced in a region of electric field. ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड रीजन में बैलेंस्ड है। बताओ इसका वेट किधर एक्ट करेगा? इन विच डायरेक्शन इट्स वेट विल एक्ट? फराज, फराज, in which direction its weight will act? ओप्पो A57 आंसर दे। सब लोग अपने नाम से ज्वाइन किया करो, अदरवाइज अटेंडेंस नहीं मार्क होगी।
सर डाउनवर्ड।
वेट हरदम क्या होता है? डाउनवर्ड एक्ट होता है। अब हमने कहा कि ये बैलेंस्ड है, मतलब इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स किधर एक्ट होगा? वो भी हरदम अपवर्ड ही एक्ट होगा, कोई दूसरी डायरेक्शन है ही नहीं। इट्स क्लियर? ड्राफ्ट कैसी है? निगेटिवली चार्ज है। बताओ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन कैसी होगी? इट इज निगेटिवली चार्ज, तो इलेक्ट्रिक
वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड।
वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड। क्यों? क्योंकि निगेटिव चार्ज पर फोर्स E के अपोजिट एक्ट करता। निगेटिव चार्ज पर फोर्स E के अपोजिट एक्ट करता। इट्स क्लियर? बट इन बोथ केसेस यू हैव सीन दैट व्हेन charged ion drop is balanced in the region of electric field, then QE will be equal to mg. ये चाहे पॉजिटिव चार्ज हो या निगेटिव चार्ज हो, अगर आयन ड्रॉप इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड रीजन में बैलेंस्ड है तो यही फार्मूला लगेगा, QE equals to mg. This thing is clear? Whether it is clear?
Yes.
Now Redmi 80. Who is Redmi 80? नाम बोलो तो हम अटेंडेंस मार्क करें। Afterwards you send the message to me. Electric field intensity due to a point charge. Now we will find out the electric field intensity due to a point charge. So first I will explain the formula. Suppose there is a charge Q situated at the point O, and we have to determine the electric field due to this at the point P, जिसकी distance O से कितनी है? R. What will be the electric intensity at the P? तो electric intensity at P कितनी होगी? E equals to 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square. All of you remember this. What is the formula of electric intensity due to charge Q at a distance R? Q charge के कारण R distance पर electric field का formula क्या होगा? ये होगा. Now we will see what will be the direction of electric field. Its derivation I will explain you afterwards. First you see this one. What will be the direction of electric field? So see here. हमने assume कर लिया कि ये कैसा है? पॉजिटिव। डायरेक्शन पता करने के लिए जो टेस्ट चार्ज लेते हैं वो क्या होता है? दैट इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव। टेस्ट चार्ज इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव, और टेस्ट चार्ज पर जो फोर्स की डायरेक्शन होगी वही क्या होगी? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन। व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड? direction of electric field due to a point charge it will be along the direction of force on test charge Q naught. जो टेस्ट चार्ज Q naught पर डायरेक्शन होती है, और टेस्ट चार्ज क्या होता है, हरदम पॉजिटिव. So you have placed the test charge Q naught here. Now this charge Q will exert the force on this in which direction? ये जो चार्ज है ये Q naught पर फोर्स किधर लगाएगा? Who can tell? विवेक चतुर्वेदी. राइट साइड में, मतलब किधर लगाएगा? इधर लगाएगा. क्यों इधर लगाएगा? क्योंकि रिपेल कर रहा है. क्या कर रहा है? रिपेल कर रहा है. लाइक चार्जेस रिपेल. So what is the electric field here? Electric field will be in this direction. Means you can say due to a positive point charge, electric field will be away from it. Here I am writing due to a positive point charge, electric field at any point will be away from it. It will be away from it. Now see here, suppose it is negatively charged. अगर ये क्या होता, नेगेटिव चार्ज, O वाला चार्ज नेगेटिव होता, and you have placed Q naught and Q naught is always positive. प्रियंका चली गई. What will be the direction of electric field, electric force on Q naught? Who can tell? Shivendra.
Sir, towards the left.
Towards the left. क्यों? क्योंकि माइनस Q
Force of attraction.
अट्रैक्ट करेगा. फोर्स की डायरेक्शन ये होगी, मतलब इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की भी डायरेक्शन क्या होगी? ये होगी. मीन्स ड्यू टू नेगेटिव चार्ज, electric field will be towards negative charge. It will be towards negative charge. Means away from the positive charge and towards the negative charge. So all of you remember this thing, that due to a positive point charge Q, what will be the electric intensity at any point? It will be given by this formula. What will be the direction of electric intensity? If this charge is positive, then direction of electric field will be away from it. If it is negative, then the direction of electric field will be towards it.